Welcome to the ultimate guide to e-commerce success, mastering online sales and building your brand. If you're looking to dominate the world of online sales, then you've come to the right place. In today's digital age, e-commerce is the key to a successful business. But how do you ensure that your online store stands out from the competition? First and foremost, you need to have a solid marketing strategy in place. This means understanding your target audience and how to reach them effectively. Social media marketing, influencer collaborations, and search engine optimization are just a few examples. Next, it's all about building a user-friendly website. Ensure that your online store is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and mobile-friendly. A seamless checkout process is crucial for maximizing conversions. Product presentation is another important factor. Invest in high-quality images and compelling descriptions that highlight the benefits of your products. Don't forget the power of customer reviews and testimonials. Positive feedback builds trust and credibility, encouraging more sales. Build your brand identity. Create a unique and memorable brand that resonates with your target audience. Brand consistency across all channels is key for building trust and recognition. Now, onto the importance of customer service. Deliver exceptional customer support, respond to inquiries promptly, and ensure hassle-free returns. Lastly, track your progress and make data-driven decisions. Analyze your analytics regularly to identify areas for improvement and refine your strategy. In conclusion, mastering e-commerce requires a combination of marketing, website optimization, brand building, superior customer service, and data analysis. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to help you succeed in the world of e-commerce.